Hello guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel RHC Engineering. And for today's tutorial, I will be showing to you yung na-develop natin last year about the footing estimation spreadsheet. So as you can see, hindi pa natapos yung iba. Bali, yung footing estimate lang nito. Hindi na to natuloy kasi nga nag-develop na tayo ng RHC Engineering tools, which is executable file na siya na pwede na siya ma-install sa application ng Windows. So kapag ma-open natin yung spreadsheet na yan, click lang natin yung button na footing estimate. Then mag-show yan yung natin, user form. So nagawa pala yan using sa VBA na language na code. As you can see, kailangan lang natin mag-input ng concrete mix. Meron tayong class A, class B, and C. Then also the value, of course, the value of the B, L, and the thickness of the footing, also the quantity kung ilang piraso. Then we have an option sa cement weight per bag. So meron tayong 40 kg and 50 kg. Commonly in the Philippines, we are using 40 kg na cement. Okay? So yun. So ngayon mag-sample tayo. Let's choose class A na concrete. Then para naman sa width ng footing, let's say 2.5 meters and length 3.5 meters. Let's use 0.3 meters or 300 mm na thickness. Then let's insert the value of quantity for one footing only. Then choose, let us choose 40 kg na concrete. Click ninyo yung calculator button na yan. Then makakalculate natin concrete volume in cubic meter, then the number of bags ng cement, sand in cubic meter, and the gravel in cubic meter din. So may reference pala, base yan sa Fajardo books na estimation. Let's try the 50 kg na cement. So from time to time, pag mag-change kayo ng value, click lang ninyo yung calculate button, yung calculator button na yan, para ma-update yung output data natin. Let's try class A or double A. Then sabi naman, then click natin yung calculate button. And para sa C natin, as you can see, yung i-change lang natin is quantity ng cement. Okay. Let's try 4.25 length ng footing natin. Ayun. So yun lang yung natin ngayon. This is free para sa lahat, kahit hindi members. I-attach ko lang dun sa description natin, pakibasa na lang. And para sa RHC Engineering tools natin, medyo nagde-develop pa tayo. And hopefully within this month or before the end of the month, I will release the 2.0 version of the application, especially para sa mga members natin ng YouTube channel community. Okay? That's all for today, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you and God bless.